Hello and welcome. This is Jit Dolokia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Hurricane Delta is an extremely dangerous major hurricane on a collision course with Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and the US Gulf Coast. It will directly impact Cancun and Cozumel as a dangerous Category 4 storm. The storm is the second strongest of the year in the Atlantic Basin at 145 miles per hour. It's just behind Hurricane Laura, which reached 150 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center said some additional strengthening is likely to occur before Delta makes expected landfall on the northeastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula on today morning. Delta went from a tropical depression to Category 4 hurricane in about 30 hours from Monday to Tuesday. At one point, Delta's wind had increased by 85 miles per hour in the 24 hours. That's the largest jump in the wind speed in October since Hurricane Wilma in 2005 and the last major hurricane to strike Cancun. The storm was about 180 miles east-southeast of Cozumel on Tuesday night with maximum sustained winds of 145 miles per hour and traveling at about 17 miles per hour. While the Yucatan strikes out like a thumb south of the Gulf of Mexico, there have only been 6 hurricanes that passed within 50 miles of Cancun in the past 100 years. Only 2 of them have been major hurricanes, Gilbert in 1988 and Wilma in 2005, a Category 4 hurricane with 130 miles per hour winds, said CNN meteorologist. Both of those storms devastated Cancun's tourism industry, which took years to rebuild. Landfall is expected anywhere from Cozumel to Cancun as a powerful Category 4 storm with 140 miles per hour or greater wind speeds. Delta is currently the strongest Greek alphabet named Atlantic hurricane on record, tweeted a research scientist at Colorado State University. Impacts from Hurricane Delta felt through today across the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba as the storm passes through. A storm surge of 9 to 13 feet above normal tide levels is possible along much of the northern coast of the peninsula. Rainfall amounts 4 to 6 inches are possible, with isolated amounts reaching 10 inches. Dangerous flash flooding and mudslides are also possible across western Cuba. Hurricane force winds extend 25 miles from the center and tropical storm force winds extend up to 90 miles from the center. Hurricane Delta is an incredibly dangerous storm that will bring heavy winds, rain and life-threatening flooding and storm surge to coastal Louisiana, governor said in a release. Alabama governor said the storm could have significant impact on the state just weeks after Hurricane Sally widespread destructions to coastal areas there. As residents along the Gulf Coast know all too well, these storms are unpredictable and strongly encourage everyone to take Hurricane Delta seriously, governor said in a statement. In Mississippi, the state's emergency management agency has sent 160,000 sandbags to 3 countries on its southeastern coast. An extremely dangerous hurricane is expected to impact the northeastern Yucatan Peninsula near Cancun and Cozumel early Wednesday morning as a Category 4 hurricane. After that, the hurricane is expected to maintain strength and push into the Gulf of Mexico. Delta's intensification turned into the 25th named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. That includes 21 named storms in the standard list of names, along with the now 4 named storms in the Greek alphabet. This is the only second time the Greek letter Delta has been used for any named storm, and it is the earliest ever 25th Atlantic storm. The previous was Delta on November 15, 2005. With nearly 8 weeks still left in the hurricane season, the number of named storms is nearing the all-time record for one season in 2005 when 28 storms were recorded. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. For more weather updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.